to determine the coordination of the atoms. Okay, so but for Miller indices, we are sometimes considered to refer the specific lattice planes of atoms. Okay, within the crystal structure. Okay, so maybe we want to know, or we are interested on the orientation of the plane or the group of the planes, which is atoms in the crystal lattice. Okay, so this is what we use Miller notation system or Miller indices. Okay, so the difference is the actually is based on the plane, not the direction or the arrow. Okay, so this is what we call this as a plane. Okay, they have a what is it? It's not like a Cartesian coordinates for the direction, but it's more like area. Okay, so actually Miller indices is refer to the specific lattice plane of the atoms. Okay, and they are reciprocal of the fractional intercept. Okay, if you have the value or the coordinates, you have to reciprocal, and then you make it integer. Okay, so that the planes make it mix with the crystallographic XYZ axis, okay, of the three non-parallel edge of the cubic in itself. So that means all these three axes, XY as well as Z. So this is what we call as middle indices. Okay, this is the plane, okay, or area. Okay, so this is just with the crystal direction. Okay, different crystal planes will have different characteristic and indices. If you look at here, this is more similar like what is it, the direction indices. So this is, we call it as the position is, we call it as a 100. Okay, similarly if you do the what is it, direction indices, right? 110 similarly, but this one in plane. Okay, or area. Okay, 100. This one is 110. Okay, if you look at here, the direction is 100%. Okay, and for y also 100%. Okay, but this one is infinity for z direction because in parallel with the axis. Okay, for this one is 111, 100% for z. Okay, 100% for y, and 100% for z. While for this one is if you look at here, 13. Okay, 13. Okay, and then this one is 23, and this one is 100%. Okay, so it's almost similar like a direction, but Miller indices is more to the planes or area. Okay, so how to procedure to get the Miller indices? Okay, first make sure plane does not pass through the origin, otherwise slide new origin. So please remember that your plane is not pass through the origin. Okay, determine where the plane intercept at each axis, x, y as well as z axis. Okay, find the reciprocal of each intercept, because just like this one, right? Okay, just like this one, this is the what is it, the number, it should be 1 infinity. Okay, that's why you have to do reciprocal to get 110. So that means you divide by 1. Okay, 1 divided by 1, 1 divided by 1, infinity divided by 1. Okay, so you can get uh 1 divided by infinity, so 110. Okay, is it correct? Is it correct, right? Infinity. Okay, if there is any fraction, you have to multiply by integer. Similarly, like direction indices. So to determine the smallest set number of whole number. Okay, if there is a negative, okay, so you have to do the parenthesis, which is like a bar on top of the number. Okay, enclose with the parenthesis HKL, where HKL are Miller indices, and it's quite different with the direction indices when you want to present the Miller indices. Okay, so just like this one. Okay, Okay, so for the Miller indices, okay, how do you present the Miller indices? Okay, it should be bracket, just a normal bracket, not square bracket. Okay, and 1, 1, 1. If there is a negative, so you should put bar on top of the number. Okay, so please remember that this is the difference. This one is for Miller indices, and this one is for the direction indices. Okay, square bracket. Okay, okay, okay. So that's for it. So this is the examples. Okay, for the Miller indices. Okay, if you look at here that the intercept is this one for x. Okay, for x is 1 2. Okay, 1 2, and y is 1, which is 100%, and z is 3 4. Okay, so this one. And the second step is we have to do reciprocals. Okay, so 1 divided by 1 2. Okay, and then 1 divided by 1, 1 divided by 3 4. Okay, so we can get 2 1 and 4 3. Okay, so you have to do the clear fraction, which is you have to multiply by the integer. For this one, so we have to multiply with 3. Okay, so you can get 6 3 4, and present your Miller indices with the bracket 6 3 4. So this is the Miller indices. Okay, so just follow the step. Okay, okay, so how about this one? Okay, so if you look at here, this is what is the intercept? Okay, what is the intercept? Since it's already given the Miller indices. So what we have to do is intercept of the plane is the 1 infinity infinity. Okay, if you look at here that if you want to get the intercept, you just what is it? Do back calculation or back procedure. Okay, so that means this one 100 just taking reciprocal, so you can get 1 infinity infinity, because this one is 1 divided by 1. Okay, what is it? 0 divided by oh, okay, 1 divided by 1, 1 divided by 0, 1 divided by 0. So 1 infinity infinity. Okay. So, but if you want to determine the Miller indices, okay, it's given the intercept. So taking reciprocals as well as clear fraction, so that you can get 1 0 0. Okay. Okay, so this one is the intercept 1 alpha 1 infinity. If you look at here, 100% for x actually is a parallel with the z-axis as well as y-axis. Okay. So this one is the intercept. We look at here, 1 3 2 3 as well as 1. Okay, almost I think it's almost similar like the previous, is it? Oh, just a 6 3 4. This one. This one is 6 3 2. Okay. So what you have to do is just taking reciprocals for this intercept. So we can get 3 3 2 1. Okay, and multiply by 2, because look at here. This is the fraction. You have to clear the fraction. Okay, so you can get 6 3 3 2. Okay. Okay, so look at here, example 6. Okay, another example, determine the Miller indices of the plane that intersects. Okay, look at here, is given 3 intersects. Okay, of the following coordinates. Okay, look at here, this is the first coordinate. Okay, first coordinate 1 1 4 0. Second coordinate. Okay, and as well as third coordinate. Okay, so that means this one. Okay. So how to determine the Miller indices? Okay, if you look at here, x negative half, okay, y negative 3, 4, as well as z plus half 2. Okay. So if you look at here, this one, that means if we define the new origin, right? This is the new origin. Okay. So for the x direction is a negative half. Okay. Okay. No, no, no. This one is x. Okay, half. This is half. Okay, sorry. So but it's toward that direction because we define new origin. Okay. And then y. Okay, if you look at here, y is 1 4. Okay, actually is the original is 1 4, but since we define new origin, okay, it become 3 4, and as well as negative. Okay, and for the z, okay, if you look at here, okay, z is a plus half. Okay, about 50%. Okay, then what you have to do, taking reciprocals. Okay, once you taking reciprocals and make it integer by multiplying by t, so we can get Miller indices. So please remember this one. Okay, there is a negative for the intercepts. Okay, so please make sure your Miller indices there is a bar on top of the number. Okay. Okay. So how about if you're given the intercept and you have to draw? Okay. Similarly, draw the plane. For example, this one, draw the plane 101. Okay. What you have to do, you have to take a reciprocals. Okay, of the indices. If you look at here, uh, this one one. Once you're taking reciprocals, okay, one one, okay, and then 0 by 1 and 1 1. So you can get 1 infinity. 1 infinity and 1, and then you can draw. So that means this one is for x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Okay, so just draw the box. Okay, once you draw the box, you can imagine where is the intercept. Okay, for example, you draw this one. For example, this one, right? 100% for the x. Okay, and y is infinity. Okay, y infinity, that means it's not going to be toward this direction. Okay, because in infinity is going to be parallel, while for z is toward this direction 100%. So just draw this line. Okay, since this is the infinity for y, so draw this line. Okay, so this is infinity, so we can get the plane. Okay. Okay, so similarly also for the 2 to 1, the plane for 2 to 1. Okay, look at here, they're just taking reciprocals similarly, and then you have to find the intercept. For example, this one, x is equal to half, 50%. Okay, and y is half also. Okay, just mark here. Okay, you make a dot. Okay, and then z is 100%, and then draw connect all the dot. Okay, make the line, and you can get the plane. Okay. Okay, so it's easy, right? So, there's another example. I thought I want to do the tutorial. Okay, so this one is similarly. Okay, one negative ones, just taking reciprocals. Okay, look at here, z is a infinity. Okay, should be parallel with the z axis. There is a now cross with the z axis. Okay, please remember, if infinity is just a parallel. Okay, but it's crossed at x as well as y. Okay, so y direction is going to be negative. Okay, so this is going to be new origin. Okay. Okay, so any questions, okay, about the Miller indices before we do tutorials? Okay, so if you have no questions, okay, just similarly like the Cartesian coordinate, can you draw the plane and draw in unit? I think this one is, I think you have to draw the plane, okay, by the given Miller indices 1, negative 1, negative 1, A, B, 1, negative 2, negative 1, and C, 3, 0, negative. So can you draw and paste on the Padlet? So I post the Padlet. So everybody have to, this one is the, can you do the tutorials with that? And then you can paste on the Padlet. Okay.
Doctor, tutorial 6 or tutorial 7?
Tutorial 6. Tutorial 6. Okay, total, only total 6.
Okay, dokter.
Okay, A, B, and C. Okay, you can choose any one. Okay. Okay, just similarly like a Cartesian coordinates, you draw first the cube, okay, or the box, with the original origin. Okay, once you determine the coordinates, so you move that box. Okay, just similar like I think this is quite easy to understand if you do like that. Okay, but it's up to you. If you want to directly use the new origins with by skipping the originals origins, so it's also possible. But you have to follow this procedure. Okay, this procedure that I already explained. This one. Okay, this one. You have to follow this procedure. Similarly, also for the direction indices. Okay, for example, you have to taking the intercepts. This one, if the intercept is given, right? But if Miller indices is given, so you have to back. Okay, just do the from number 4 to number 1, right? Okay, just follow the procedure. Okay, this one. But for me, it's much easier if I draw the original origin. Okay, and then just move that box so you get the new origin. Okay, can you draw? Then we can discuss. So write your names. Okay. Oh, is this one already who's this one? Okay, let me share. Anonymous. Almira. Almira. Today, right? Almira, you just post, right? I just post.
Yes, doctor.
Okay. This one, 1, -1, -1. Okay. How do you know? Because there's no step. You didn't show the step. I think it's better you show the step, isn't it? Not only just answer. So how is it you taking reciprocal or you multiplying with the integer? So I think it's better you show the step how you determine this middle indices or this plane, isn't it? Almira tutorial 5. Oh, this one no. This one is last week, right? This one. The answer is correct. Okay, the answer is correct. But I think you have to show the what is it?
The interested taking reciprocal, something like that, doctor? Oh, okay. I try. Because I just put
Yes, for example,
the
it is given 1, 1, and then you have to taking reciprocal, right? Right. Reciprocal.
oh, okay, okay.
Reciprocal. Okay. And what else? 1 divided by 1, -1 divided by what is it? B is it 1, okay? This one is the intercept. Okay. And then you can draw. But the answer is correct. Okay, the answer is correct. So the answer, yeah, similarly, should be this one is your origin is the where's your origin actually? Oh, is the similarly right? Original origin right? Okay, so this one as well as this one. Okay, similarly. Then you share it. This one. Sorry, it's quite difficult to draw with the WebEx. It's not user friendly. Okay, so it's moving this triangle. Okay, but yeah, Amira already shows her answer. Okay. Okay. Anyone's for B and C? 1, -2, -1, as well as 302. How about other student? Anyone?
Doctor, can I see the question?
Oh, the questions. Okay. Uh, okay. This is the question. Things that have the following in the indices. B and C. Anyone? This one. One negative one. Yeah, it's Zafran. Yeah, it's similar. Similar like this with Almira. Okay. Similarly like Almira. Okay, that's good. Okay. Yeah. So the origin. Oh yeah. Okay. Look at here that the origin is 000. Okay, but the box is under the where is it? Uh, 1001. So negative Z. Yes. Okay. 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 That is correct. Anyone? For B and C? So if you look at for Zafran and Almira, right? They are drawing. So they draw like this. This is the after the move the cube. Okay. So the new origin is here. Okay. The new origin is here. Okay. So this is here. But still 000. That's this one. Okay. X Y Z Y X Z. Okay. Anyone for B and C? If not, I just call your one names.
Dokter nak tanya boleh?
Tanya apa?
Itu yang number B itu kan dia ada dua kan?
Ada
Minus
dua.
2.
Ah.
1 minus 2 minus 1.
Hmm.
Box itu poin paling ujung tuh 1 ya? Yang
Ya, yang mana satu? Yang satu tu ada dua satu tu. Satu negatif, satu positif.
sebab yang guna poin kan kita buat macam segitiga tadi yang di contoh satu tuh poin tuh kan kita bentuk jadi segitiga. Nah,
Ah,
kita juga punya
yeah.
box. Box itu maksimum poin satu kah atau boleh macam-macam?
Maximum is 100%. Satu.
Satu je.
Maximum is
Berarti
100%. Yes, it's one equal to 100%. It's
berarti
not
yang
gonna be 200%.
number
So
B
that's
ni
yang B tu, that's why you have to follow the procedure. If 1 to 1, how you want to make it below than 100%? Below than 1.
oh ya ya
How
ya.
you want to make it below than 1? How? Macam
Oh,
mana?
bagi.
Taking reciprocal, right, kan?
Aha.
Isn't it? So if you taking reciprocals, your number is going to be 1, negative 1 divided by 2, or negative half equal to, for Z is negative 1, right?
Oke oke.
Okay, okay, okay. So it's not going to be more than 1. This is just the unit cell. Okay, anyone for B and C? Okay, I have to check. Who's this one? Anonymous. I don't think so. This is the correct one. Okay, let me share this. Okay,
Doctor, I'm still
yeah,
confused about the steps.
what the step? Okay, so okay, let me check your. Is this your answer?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Look at here, right? Because a Miller is it, the Miller indices is given, right? Okay. Since the Miller indices, saya share ni lagi ke? Okay. So if you look at here, okay, if intercept is given, you have to follow this procedure, right? Not from number 1 to XL 3 and 4, right? But now the question is Miller indices is given, so you have to follow 4, 3, 2, 1. Since I think we're gonna skip this step 3. Okay, we just do the reciprocal. Okay, so it's given this one. Okay, based on the question B, right? Okay, I share from this one. Okay, so what you have to do, where is it? Where is it? Let's see that. Okay, okay. If you look at here, okay, since the Miller indices is what is it? The Miller indices 1, 2, 1, right? So next step is this one is number 1. Next step is taking reciprocal. I just make it short. Reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal. So that means 1 divided by 1. Okay, and then what else? 1 divided by negative 2. Okay, and then 1 divided by negative 1. So x is equal to 1. Okay, this one taking reciprocal. This is number 3. Okay, you got the intercept. Okay, so this one, the x is equal to 1. Okay, y is equal to negative half. Z is equal to, what is it? Negative 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, because this one we want to get the intercept. Okay, so your point is 1, negative half, as well as negative 1. So what you have to do after that, okay, similarly like a Cartesian coordinate, okay, like a Cartesian coordinate, you have to draw this one, okay. Okay, so this one is Z, this one is Y, this one is equal to X. Okay, so just dot okay. Okay, this is the origin. Okay, so it's 0, 0, 0. So we look at here. Okay, the original block is good, should be here, right? Okay, so look at here. Okay, just to sketch the original box or original cube. Okay, so look at here. This one is the original. This is original. So you can see the number, the intercept is 1, negative half, as well as negative 1, x, y, and z. Okay, so x is positive, should be 100% towards out the paper. So it should be this point. Okay, this point. Okay, this point. So you might have to make a point. What else? Y direction. Y direction is equal to negative half. So if you look at here, if this one is 100%, it's going to be, this one is 50% or negative half. This one is half. How about this one? Z. Oh, sorry. This one. Okay. This one is half. Okay. If this one is 100%, okay, this one is 50%. Okay, so this one negative half. And this one Z is negative 1, 100% but negative. So this one 100%, so negative 1. So your box is going to be new box. Okay, or new box is going to be like this. Moving to this one. So this direction. Okay. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay. Oh, it's moving. Okay. So your plane is going to be this one x, right? So connect this point with y. Connect this point with z, as well as connect this one with this z. Z with x. So you can get this one. Okay. So this is the answer. So new box. So this is it clear? That's why I draw the original one, the box, so that we can see the actuals of the your box as well as the plane. Okay. Okay. Yes, L is correct. That one is correct. Okay. Look at here, L. Do the correct answer. Okay.
Doctor,
Yes.
but from the example before, I see there are multiple step one, multiply step. What
Which
that's
one?
on step Miller indices example on page 49. The Miller indices are 6, 3, and 2. Why could be that? Oh,
Which one? Which one? Hello? Can you hear?
so the example before. Hello, hello.
Yes.
Are we
I
here?
can hear. Yes, I can hear.
So, so the example before, I see
Which
that
which
at
example?
page 49 on PowerPoint on slide.
49.
Page
Okay, 49. Okay, that one.
So there are two boxes, right? The below one, the Miller indices are 632.
632. Oh, 632. Okay. Not 49.
That was out of one, right? So why like that?
632. Which one? I think it's like 63. Okay, this one. 632, right? This one is the Miller not we want to find the Miller indices from the plane. from this one. But the question just now we do the tutorial is indices. This one, right? Is it?
Wait, I still can.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's one.
So
Yes.
this one is given the intercept 1 divided by 3, 2 divided by 3, and 1 is given the intercept. Want to get the indices, but from the question that we do just now is given the indices. You have to draw the plane. So is the what is it, the opposite? Not opposite. Is like backward. Okay. The step is backward. Faham tak?
Oh.
This one is it is given the intercept. Okay, you have to draw the plane. So you have to follow the step intercept, taking reciprocal, multiply by integer so that you can get the Miller indices, right? But just now the question is given the Miller indices, but you have the plane. Okay?
Oh.
What? Okay. Miller indices, okay, taking reciprocal and you get the intercept and then you can draw the plane. Okay?
Oh, I see, doctor.
Okay. Faham eh? Dia terbalik lah. Tapi sama je. Okay? Faham eh?
Boleh,
Any
doctor.
any question? This what are the this one, yes. How you want to get the Miller indices? This is the original step based on this plane, based on this intercept. How you want to get this one? For example, A, right? A, this plane. I think so you cannot imagine how to. This one is from the you have 4 steps. Okay. Get here. For A, let's can you do for the A? I draw this one. I draw the box. Okay, can you draw how you can get the Miller indices? What is the Miller indices for A? Okay, so this is the box. Okay, for A. Okay. Okay, so the plane is like this. This is tutorial 7. Can you determine the Miller indices? Okay, so this is the plane. So if you look at here, this one is 3, 4. Okay, so this one is X, this one is Y, this one is Z. Okay, this one, so that means this one is 1, 4. Can you determine the Miller indices based on this plane or intercept? Okay, can you determine? How do you determine the Miller indices for A? Okay, only A. This one A. This one is A. Okay, 3, 4. Can you do and post in the Padlet? I want to see, is it you understand or not? This one, what is it? The plane is given and intercept is given, but you have to determine the Miller indices. For tutorial 6, Miller indices is given, you have to draw the plane. How you gonna determine this one? Can you draw?
Doctor, honestly, for tutorial 7, I have no idea where should I start.
Where should I start?
Doctor, this for A, the
Hello? What is it? Hello?
doctor for A, the infinity one is Y or X?
I guess. Oh, you have to follow 4 steps. Okay. You have to determine the what is intercept. And then taking reciprocal, make it integer, multiply with the integer, and then you present in the Miller indices. That is 4 steps. You want to do right.
Can
Please
you
guess which
please
one is infinity.
can you
Which one is
please do first step?
Huh?
The
What is it?
clue. Give us clue.
Clue. Okay,
Yes.
first, please determine the intercept. First, what is the intercept for A? This one for A. What is the intercept? First intercept. What is the intercept? First, you have to determine the intercept. If you look at here, x direction, y direction, as well as z direction. What is the intercept? Okay, if you look at here, okay, if you look at here, I know it's quite confusing, right? If you look at here, x direction is toward here, towards out of paper. If you look at here, the plane is infinity, right? It's not cross to the x, isn't it? So it's infinity. How about y axis? Hmm?
Also infinity.
Also infinity.
No.
I don't know.
3/4. 3/4.
It's Z. 3/4 is Z.
Oh, sorry.
If your origin here is 3, 4 lah. If your origin is here, but your origin here gonna cross the plane. Okay? Faham tak? Boleh?
Dokter.
Okay. So determine. Aduh. Oh, dah nak habis dah. Minit industrial je. Aduh. Tengok dah biar ni. Okay, dah ada yang post tak? A-nya tak nampak doktor. Tadi saya dah draw dah. Okay, dia kat sini. Saya kasih gambar lah dekat group. Nampak tak? Untuk gambar lebih clear tengok dekat group eh. For the clear picture. Look at the group. Anyone's already put. One infinity, 1, 0. What's this one? Yx is equal to Yx is equal to 1. I think it's infinity. Okay. y negative 1. Lupa pula. It's quite tricky. X B. Negative 1. Three. Let's go to 5 4. What's this? I don't think so. Okay. Sekejap, saya pun lupa lah. Infinity. One four X. One. Okay. So, that's it. Who's this? Afif. Afif. Infinity. Where's your origin? Actually, Afif, you have to define your origin. You have to define your origin. Miller indices. Miller indices, you cannot use infinity. Okay. So 1 divided by infinity is equal to 0. Infinity is very, what is called like a very large number. So 1 divided by like 1 million or 10 million. Okay, 100 million is going to be 0, right? It's not going to be infinity also. Okay, Hafiz? So 1 divided by infinity is going to be 0. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure where's your origin. Oh, it's all okay. But for me, origin. Okay. Okay. And just for the clear view. Ah. I will define here. Since it's gonna be like this one. So if your new origin is here, okay. So we will see here. This one is going to be negative z direction. Towards this direction is negative 1 for y and infinity for x. This one is for y. This one is for 1 4 is for z. Okay. And infinity for the x direction. So x, y, z. Sorry, another 5 minutes. Okay. So x is equal to infinity. y equal to -1, z equal to -1. Oh, because I define new origin. So it's not gonna cross the the plane is not cross the origin. Okay, 1, 4. And then taking reciprocal. Okay, taking reciprocal. Okay. 1 divided by infinity. 1 divided by -1. 1 divided by -1. 4. So you can get 0. Okay. -1 as well as -4. So your Miller indices 0, 1, 4. Okay. So please define the new origin. Okay. If you want to make new origin here is impossible. This is going to cross your the plane is going to cross your your origin. Okay. Okay. So we will discuss more next week. Please do for the rest of the tutorials and see, I think. Okay, and we will discuss tomorrow. We have 2 hours. I hope we can finish this this topic by. Okay, please do be what else? Be this tutorial. Okay, and then we planar density as well as linear density tomorrow, as well as polymorphism. Okay, allotropy. Okay, so for Afif, please make sure your how you calculate the to get the taking reciprocal is it should be 1 divided by infinity. It should be okay. And this one, oh, now I did I did wrong. Okay, this one Almira. Okay, please do together. I hope you can do some tutorials B, C, and D. Okay, so that you can, and we will discuss again tomorrow. Okay, if you don't understand, you can ask me tomorrow. Okay, okay, that's all for today. Thank you for what of the class today. Okay, any more questions? Any more questions before we stop? Sorry.
No, Doctor.
Discuss again in detail tomorrow. Okay, boleh ya?
Okay, Doctor.
Okay. Understand the direction indices. I think you have some clue with the Miller indices. I think. Okay. Okay. So tomorrow we will continue. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor. Okay.
You
Bye.
know,
Okay. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.